So finally it is here, the Saint Martin BB58 Homage. And it looks like forever that I have been expecting this watch to come, and finally it has arrived. It comes courtesy of a very good friend of the channel, and this is my first impressions video. And I assure you, you were in for a real surprise. And I talked to you about surprises, and surprises we do have. Take a look at those dimensions. Take a look at how differently it looks from its cousin, the vintage diver to the right. It is a much larger watch, and because you do not have the inner metallic ring in here, the bezel insert is much larger on the BB58 Homage. I was expecting a BB58 Homage. The BB58 is 39mm, but you actually have a watch that is 40.5mm in diameter, so actually a little bit closer to the full-sized BB. Is that a bad thing? No, not necessarily, because the height of the watch is a very slim 11.5mm, and that in big part is due to the dome, to the slightly domed sapphire crystal that is really beautiful. When you look at it from an oblique angle, you can see that the indices distort. So this is a single dome crystal, which is wonderful for these kind of vintage style watches. You have got a lug-to-lug of 47.7mm, so pretty much contained there, but you have got an end-link to end-link dimension of 55mm. That looks huge, and that is indeed pretty big for small wrists. However, as you can see, those lugs taper dramatically, so it can accommodate two smaller wrists. You've got a lug width of 20mm, and the bracelet goes from 20, and it tapers dramatically to 16.5mm, keeping with that vintage style as well. You've got then the clasp, the sign clasp, and as you can see, I have not removed the plastic, just not to damage it. This is not my watch. And you've got just a double release security. And when you open it, you see fully milled elements. Everything is milled here, the shell, all the elements, and you have got 4 levels of micro adjustment. And learning from their mistakes, Saint Martin has used a flat screw link for that link that attaches to the bracelet. And that is so you can use the 4 micro adjustments without those round screw heads coming in the way. So very good thinking and good learning from mistakes. Now let's talk about that dial. And that dial is very much in the BB58 style. So it is gilt. You have got a gilt minute track running around the dial. You have got gilt metal around the indices, and you have got gilt stainless steel around the hands as well. The hands are your typical Tudor hands with the snowflake hour hand and the snowflake tip on the second hand. On top of the dial, we've just got Saint Martin with their hexagonal logo. You know, I used to dislike this logo. Now I have pretty much gotten used to it, but there you go. There's nothing we can do about it now. And at the bottom of the dial, you just have got an automatic and 200 meters. So the lume, as you can see, wonderful as usual with Saint Martin's. I did not have the time to do the whole lume endurance test. That'll come in the full review. But as you can see, very nice lume in here. So the first thing that impresses about this watch is its thinness. It is so thin, only 11.5mm. That is wonderful, and that will make it that will be much more wearable than an actual BB41. So don't worry about those dimensions too much. In fact, let's see how it wears on my small 16.5cm wrist or 6.5-inch wrist, and you will see that it wears just normally. It wears a bit large, but not unwearably so. And I bet that if you put it on a NATO or the leather strap, it will just look perfect on my wrist. So as I told you, this watch is full of surprises. I was expecting pretty much a copy of the vintage sub, But actually not at all, it's a whole different watch. It wears really differently and it is made for different kinds of wrists. It is made for different kinds of situations. Because of its size, this looks much more tooly. Even though it keeps its elegance, it looks tooly. In the full review, we will see the full accuracy test, the lume longevity test, and all those nice things, so stay tuned, that is coming very soon on the channel. So thank you so much for having tuned in. Stick around because we have a lot of surprises, so I'll be seeing you very soon. Goodbye.